I hope you're having a marvelous spring, a fun one, a cute one, a get you all giddy in your stomach one. If not, get yourself some cute Japanese makeup. This video was a requested video and I will put her name on the screen. So thank you. Shout out to you. I hope you're doing great. I hope all you dolls are doing great. And if you are new, welcome, welcome to the doll family. I'm your girl, American Gyaru. In today's video, we are going to be experimenting with some really cute Japanese retailer makeups that I had got from a local Japanese grocery store. And hello, I live in Hawaii. We're just going to beat my face with some really cute makeups. These makeups are popular yet affordable. Let's go ahead and get started. Hato Mugi skin conditioner. It's like a skin lotion, which I am so into skin lotions, skin serums, because it's just so much more absorbent. I'm gonna put some on my hands. Pat that in. I'm gonna go with these eye contact brown with black rims. A lot of Asian girls don't have a crease on their eye, so oftentimes they will create one in order to give a more bigger dolly eye look. So I thought this is worth mentioning. These are eye tapes. I got them from Amazon. If you dolls are getting into the Gyaru influenced makeup, then yeah, these work great. Beautiful liquid foundation. This one has SPF in it. I'm gonna go in with my fingers. I just thought the packaging was so cute, and I did see this online when I was doing some research. And this is the Club Suppin Powder RN21. It's a fragrance of pastel rose, and it says cover your face wrinkles and pore with wash-free face powder. You can even wear it overnight. It's face powder with hyaluronic acid and collagen. So it was $20. It's so cute. It comes in a tin can. How adorable and inspirational is this? Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Oh, it's worth the $20 for sure. Putting it on. The fact that it says that it's going to get rid of all these wrinkles and all that stuff, it does make my skin look really velvety. She's all right. Let me know, dolls, what you think. Just gonna dive right into their eyeshadow. So this was really affordable as well. I can't really pronounce this brand. I want to say Mr. Ku, M-R Ku. I forgot all my Japanese learned in college. Go ahead and swatch. So here's the first color. Looks very baby pink, very natural. Here's the next one. Look at that. That's a great highlighter color. Very cute and light. And there we have it. I'm not gonna lie, that powder, I feel like it's very dry. I don't know if it was the powder or if it was really this foundation. I do have dehydrated skin, so it kind of sucked the moisture out of everything. So if you have oily skin, this would be really good. I could see that. It's also good for patting your eyebrows. So I'm going to use my fingers, and I'm just going to put some of this brown on. Very light and powdery too, so I really like that. Nice for blending. It's velvety. And the price you really can't beat. White glitter. I'm definitely going to put that in my corner of my eye. It's almost like a foil glitter. I'm going to dip into this rose pink. Put that on my little lid. I really am loving this eyeshadow duo. It's so natural, yet it's very still distinct where you can see the different colors. Sometimes with drugstore makeup in general, you know, they look pretty on the palette, but when they get on your eye, it's a different story. I want a little bit more pizzazz, so I'm actually going to go in the center of my eye and bring up the glitter in the middle like that. Then we're going to use the brown eyeshadow, bring it outside of my eye, and then bring it down to the corner. Elongate my eye. Like that. This is a definite spring Gyaru eyeshadow makeup look, very natural. And I'm going to use that same pink rose. I'm going to connect the white glitter that I did earlier to the brown eyeshadow. We're going outside of the eye because I'm going to be putting lower lashes on. Eyeliner. It's from the Kiss Me brand. It's waterproof. Wow, it gels on very nicely. It feels very smooth, so it looks like we won't have any interruptions. Yeah, eyeliner is so staple for sure, dolls, especially if you're an Asian girl and you're like me. Eyeliner is like my mascara. Eyeliner styles, you can either go downward to create a sad doll, or you can go upwards. You can do whatever you want with your eyeliner. Just make sure that your eyeliner is bold, amazing, and dramatic. And big. When I say big, elongate your eye. I like to go inward from the corner here, and I like to go really close to my waterline. Drag the eyeliner out beyond my waterline. Voila! So I use also crayon liner, so I'm going to go in with my ColourPop. Fine. I got it in a really dark chocolate brown because I figured it's spring. So yeah, if you do want to go bolder black, you can, but this is their dark chocolate, which is pretty close to black, so it gives me enough boldness and definition, but yet, you know, it's still light, so it goes really pretty with pastel colors. So yeah, white eyeliner is a very staple piece for the Gyaru look. I'm putting the white eyeliner on my waterline. So these are the Dolly Wink options that we got, and they're very subtle. It even comes with its own mini glue. That's the black ones. This one here are the brown ones. And then these one here, look at that, they're blue. The blue ones are very subtle, but this one's the new one. So we'll go with that one. And here's the glue. Now that I think about it, I'm kind of wishing that I did get the other packs, but they were out of them, where it's like a 3-pack and they're inspired by certain Japanese girls. It's so cute. Love it. You can put them in the center. You can put them on the end. I'll put them on the ends of my eyes to elongate my eyes. So it has a little bit of a flare. It makes my eyes look longer. Very, very romantic. It's very light makeup. Very natural, dolls. Very daytime. It's a subtle addition to your eye look if you are more natural, or even if you're bold. Hey, it's just fun to play with these lashes for sure. They're different. And the final item is their one-day tattoo eyebrow. And this one has liquid as well as powder. Now, this is number 2, and it's from K Palette brand. It's very light. Look at that. This is the powder in here, and this is the sponge. And the way it works is you just twist it in to the cap with the powder right here, and then you can just color it in. There you go. I got this because it matches my hair. Really liking the powder, actually. It's very convenient. I highly recommend this eyebrow pencil. Really pretty eyeshadows too. I highly recommend the eyeshadows. There's only $5. The eyebrow pencil was about $10, so those are probably my favorite. I don't know if I would buy that $20 Sup powder. It's almost like very dry and talc-ish, which is not what I was expecting considering that there's collagen and vitamin E. So I'm gonna go with my Petite Recipe blush. If you have dull lips, this is a ColourPop Just a Tint. This is my Gyaru spring look using only Japanese retailers and products. And so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you thought about the products, and shout out to for suggesting this video. I do have another retailer that I do want to experiment with, and the brand it's a Japanese brand. It's Can Make. Just let me know if that's something you would want me to do. If you want me to do more of these types of videos, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe if you haven't, and comment, dolls. I do have my 4,000 subscriber count giveaway. And we are getting there, dolls. So thank you to each and every one of you. I love you, dolls. Stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, keep shining as you should, and don't let anybody else make you feel otherwise. Mwah!